What is up, you guys? Dominator here. Today I'm gonna try to dominate the volcano. I didn't want to take up too much time last video, cause last video was my first one. So here it is. I'm already sweating, and so let's see. Okay, now let's go. Honestly, guys, I'm even nervous. It actually doesn't taste that bad. It tastes like barbecue. I know I promised you guys a video with my mom. And so she's the one providing me with light this time. Shout out to my mom. And today's my mom's birthday. So please like and subscribe and comment down happy birthday, Mary. And well, honestly, it doesn't taste that bad. It actually tastes like barbecue. It's not that spicy. It tastes like fresh barbecue. For those of you who do not know whose finger that was my mom's. She's willing to put her fingers in my food, except she's not willing to do the challenge with me. But it's just one pack of the Volcano chicken. The American one. Tomorrow I'll do the nuclears, which I'm already used to, but I'll probably make 2 in 1. Okay, no, never mind. Come back with a bark. For those of you who do not know, my mom's also doing Tupperware, as you could tell from the bowl over there.
No, I did. I stopped, but like, I stopped and I was looking and I couldn't stop at the phone. I tried to do it, texting me, and I didn't do that either.
Actually, not that bad. Like, the heat comes and goes. Usually, like, I finish this in... Usually, I finish this in like 5-6 minutes.
Next to my friend Xander's house.
If it's like really spicy, it takes like 6 minutes.
No, it doesn't.
It was funny.
Yeah.
Like the water gushing off.
That's in the backyard or the front?
Front.
Wow.
Like the speakers were like over there and then I just started.
Can y'all see all that sweat? Oh my goodness, look at that.
You know
Sit
why?
from here.
Yeah.
The pipe is closed.
I'm trying to record here. Sorry, it's a couple of my friends.
Friends.
Got maybe a minute and a half on my phone before it dies. Before it stops. Can you do it in a minute and a half?
Okay, do it in a minute.
A minute.
Who says you need a gift for your? Who says you need to buy a gift for your mom when you are the gift? Okay, nah, never mind. You put
Time's
some-
running out. Time's running out. Time's running out. Time's running out. Time's running out. Done a second, dude. Second.
Well, snap.
Look at that foot. Oh my goodness. Oh, 10. 10 seconds.
I'll be back.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Couldn't finish it on mine.
Sadly, my mom was unable to record it,
All of it.
all of it, because her phone died. So that's why this part went blank. I tried to finish it before her phone died, but hey. So there you go. Dominated, like always. So it was the spicy chicken. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a domination of a day. Thank you. And again, shout out to my mom. Peace.